This is Austin from Get Cranked Outdoors. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Walmart on a budget. So, really, the whole point of this channel that I'm going to do is say you're younger or you don't make as much money as you really need to, and what you can do, spend 15, 20, $25 at the store. Today, I already have the rod and reel that we're going to use. It's already lined up with what's going to be on there. Um, it's just a medium action spinning rod. I believe it's from Abu Garcia. It's pre-lined, so there's nothing that we have to do with that. We don't have to go out and buy line or anything. What we're going to do is we're going to go out and get a topwater popper. We're going to get a jerk bait and then one bag of soft plastics, and we're going to go out there and catch a fish on each one of them. But it is right after a storm, so it might not be today, but it'll be tomorrow. We'll check. Okay, it's day two after the storm rolled through. We ended up having a tornado the other day, and then I got off of work a little too late last night, so I couldn't really get anything through. So with this storm, it might not be the best fishing. We're gonna see what we can do. I'm hoping nobody's there just because I'm not comfortable filming in front of anybody at all. That spot wasn't terrible. I'll put the pictures of the fish on screen. Caught two bass and two catfish wanted it. It wasn't the best fishing. The only thing I could get him to bite on was the worm. And with that, I had to throw it like right in front of their face. Other than that, they really weren't wanting anything else. But there's another pond. I've got about an hour left of fishing before I have to go back and go back to the house, start getting ready for work, and get everything going. So we'll try that. Okay, we're at the second spot now. I'm gonna continue throwing this little ribbit tail worm for a little bit, but it's starting to rain, so I think I'm gonna switch to top water here in a bit. The other pond, I had to like drop it straight into their face to be able to get a catch. Hopefully, it's not the case for the rest of the day. A little bit past where that top hit was. No. Don't get your hopes up just because you're not catching a fish right now. It could just be because the water clarity, could just be because that's not what the bass are wanting right now. Or, I had a bluegill strike it earlier. Um, just like that. I'm on a rock. It could just be because they're wanting that different presentation of a lure. Whew. I thought that was a snake. Good lord. Son of a bitch. Here. Another thing, I need to get an actual tackle box. Unfortunately, I can't use the top water. I'll show you guys here in a second. But the top water lure that I have, the little popper that I bought, is hooked into the bag that I'm using right now. So it'll take too much to try and get it out right now. So right now what we're going to be stuck with is just the jerk bait and then a soft plastic. I'm going to wait a second before I head that way. I think there's a wedding going on. I don't want to be in the back of that. I didn't get the catch on video, but here we go. Nice little bass. Persistence pays off, I guess. Shit, it's been slow all day. I don't think you guys can see all of the little sunfish in here, but I think this is where I'm gonna go next video.